Dear viewers, welcome to our channel GVS Bank Academy. Today I am going to discuss about bank's balance sheet analysis. Bank's balance sheet analysis, which is very important for bank promotional exams, banks interviews and JAIIB, CAIIB examinations and general working of on the bank balance sheet. Presently, we are conducting one batch for Indian Overseas Bank, their forthcoming examination, promotional examination. Also, we are conducting JAIIB and CAIIB online classes as per new syllabus for the May and June forthcoming examinations. Interested members are requested to contact. MIS data. MIS, Management Information System data of ABC Bank as on 31st December 2022. This is the data of a particular bank as on 31st 12/2022. All amount in rupees and in crores. This is there. Total deposits 2 lakh crores. Total deposits 2 lakh crores. Average deposits 1 lakh 50. Total deposits as on 31st 12/2022 2 lakhs. Average deposits means April to December average. This is 1st April to 31st December. On an average, if we can see monthly average 1 lakh 50,000 crores. Total advances outstanding as on 31st December 22 1 lakh 30,000 crores. Average advances and from 1st April to 31st December, if we can take a monthly average, we can say averages, that is 1 lakh 20,000 crores. Other income, bank other income 5,000 crores. Other income. Interest on advances. Interest received on advances 12,000 crores during this 9 months period. Interest paid on deposits during the 9 months 9,000 crores. 9,000 crores. Average working funds. Average working funds 1 lakh 50,000 crores. Average working funds 1 lakh 50,000. Average working funds definition: monthly or daily average of total assets. This is the monthly or you can say daily average of total assets. This is average working funds during the first 9 months. It is equal to either average, monthly average or daily average of total assets. Equity share capital or paid up share capital of the bank as on December 10,000 crores. Revaluation reserves. It means fixed assets revaluation reserves 2,000 crores. And general reserves and surplus of the bank 5,000 crores. 5,000 crores. Gross NPA 18,000 crores. This is the information available for us. On this information, based on this information, we are going to calculate these figures. 1. Net interest income. Net interest income is equal to interest on advances. Net interest income is equal to interest on advances 12,000 crores. Interest on advances 12,000 crores minus interest paid on deposits 9,000 crores. Net interest income is equal to interest on advances minus interest paid on deposits 12,000 minus 9,000 3,000 crores. 3,000 crores is the net interest income for that period. Then second question, net interest margin calculation. Net interest margin. Net interest margin is equal to net interest income by next interest income, that is 3,000 divided by average advances. Average advances 1,20,000. 3,000 divided by 1,20,000 into 100. Net interest margin is coming 2.5%. What is the, how we can, net interest margin is equal to net interest income 3,000 divided by average assets during that period 1,20,000 into 100, 2.5%. That's it there. Third question, what is the net worth of the bank as on this date? Net worth, capital 10,000 crores plus reserves 5,000 crores, 15,000 crores net worth. But they had given revaluation reserves. Revaluation reserve is not part of net worth. Revaluation reserves are not part of net worth. This you have to remember. Revaluation reserves are not part of net worth. So equity or net worth of the bank is equal to capital plus reserves 15,000 crores. Return on equity or return on net worth. Fourth question, return on equity or return on net worth is equal to net interest income 3,000, net interest income 3,000 plus other income 5,000. As for this available information, return on assets is equal, return on equity is equal to 3,000 net interest income and 5,000 other income, total 8,000 divided by net worth 15,000 crores into 100. Return on equity, it is equal to net interest income plus other income divided by net worth into 100, 53%. This is return on equity. Return on assets. Return on assets. This is net interest income plus other income 8,000 divided by average working funds. Average working funds, that is equal to average of total assets 1,50,000 crores into 100. Return on assets is 0.53. Return on assets is equal to net interest income 3,000, other income 5,000, 8,000 divided by average working funds. Average working funds means monthly or daily average of total assets into 100, that is the 0.53%. Yield, sixth question, yield on advances. What is the yield we are getting on advances? What is the yield? Interest on advances 12,000 crores. Interest on advances 12,000 crores divided by average advances 1,20,000 crores. Average advances 1,20,000 crores into 100. Yield on advances means interest on advances divided by average advances into 100. That is the average 10% return yield you are getting on advances. Then cost of deposit. What is the cost of deposit of the bank? That is equal interest paid on deposits 9,000 crores. Interest paid on deposits 9,000 crores divided by average deposit during that period 1,50,000 crores. Cost of deposits is equal interest paid on deposits divided by average deposits into 100, that is 6%. This question, yield on advances, cost of deposits, these questions they are asking very frequently in promotion examinations. Promotion examinations, JAIIB, CAIIB, all. Interviews. 8th question. What is the credit deposit ratio of the bank? Credit, total advances. This ratio you are calculating on 31st. Total advances 1,30,000 crores divided by total deposits 2 lakh crores into 100. Credit deposit ratio is 65%. For every 100 rupees deposit, advance credit is 65 rupees. Credit deposit ratio, total advances 1,30,000 divided by total deposits into 100. Gross NPA. Gross NPA is equal, per ratio is equal, gross NPA 18,000 crores divided by total advances 1,30,000 crores into 100. Into 100. Into 100, that is 18,000 crore divided by 1,30,000 into 100, 13.84%. 13.84. Common equity tier 1 capital. Common equity tier 1 capital. This is regulatory capital. Common equity tier 1 capital is equal capital 10,000 crores, reserves 5,000 crores plus revaluation reserves. Out of 2,000 crores, you have to discount 55%. 2,000 into 55 is equal, that is 1,100 crores minus 2,000 minus 1,100, 900 crores only you have to take. For the common equity tier 1 capital purpose, all the revaluation rates are discounted by 55%. It means only 45% of this amount bank has to add to common equity tier 1 capital. This is regulatory capital as for Basel III. This. So, what is the common equity tier 1 capital? 10,000 crores plus capital reserves 5,000. Here we are taken 900 only revaluation reserves. How? 2,000 crores is the outstanding. Discount minus 55%. That is 1,100 crores. 2,000 minus 1,100, 900 crores. Total 15,900 crores. But this revaluation results, we are not taken part of net worth. Revaluation results are not part of net worth. This is only part of common equity tier 1 capital, regulatory capital, to the extent of 45% only. That's why 900. 11th point, average working funds. They had given average working funds. Most of the people are not aware. Average working funds is equal monthly or daily or weekly average of total assets. We can go daily average, weekly average or monthly average. Mostly monthly average also good. Weekly average, that is bank interest. Average working capital funds is equal monthly average of total assets. These 1 to 11 points are very, very important in all banks promotion examinations. All banks interview questions also. All banks case studies. Some banks promotional examinations, they are asking case studies. 10 marks question case study, 5 mark question case study, 3 marks question case study, CAIIB 5 marks question case study. Out of this, they will ask some. And 1 mark questions, cost of deposits, how we can calculate. Yield on advances, how we can calculate. What is return on equity calculation? What is net interest income calculation? Net interest margin calculation. So, overall, this presentation will be helpful for the bank examinations, promotion examination, that too higher skills people. And JAIIB examinations, CAIIB examination, and also very useful for bankers to understand the basic concepts on the bank's balance sheet analysis. This is where, for the benefit of the participants, we are submitting to this presentation. Thank you very much for all, and we wish all the best to the promotion aspirants. We are going to attend the promotion examinations tomorrow and next week. During the January, every Sunday, Saturday, we are having promotion examination all banks. Thank you very much for all for extending support to our YouTube channel. Thank you very much.